back to the channel. What's happening, everybody? I'm that guy. Hey, we have got some stuff to cover. You won't want to miss this. So we're going to go ahead and not waste any time. I do want to keep this kind of brief. I know I get long-winded. However, first thing on the agenda that we are going to cover is a lot of you guys know that we do have another bike that is coming in. It should be here this week. I have already tracked everything on it. I'm not going to say anything else other than that. So just be expecting a video here very soon on the new uncrating of the new edition. Next, we're going to take a walk and a talk for this one, y'all. So a lot of people have asked me, they said, well, what are you going to do with your 250F? Well, it's simple. Nothing. We're not going to do anything with it. We're going to keep riding. We're not doing anything as far as mods wise, not for the time being anyway. However, what we do have in store is another 2023 250F that is going to be undergoing some surgery, y'all. So we have another one that is completely bone stock, aside from a 48 tooth rear sprocket and some handguards. That's it. But we're going to put this thing under the knife with a Force Cam 310 big bore kit with a rally camshaft, their ECU, their entire Force Cam bell parts exhaust. We're going to do this thing from top to bottom, the heavy duty clutch kit and all. We are going to put this one up against the CRF250F race, and we're going to see how it compares. So we're going to be able to give you guys kind of that side-by-side comparison, so you will not want to miss this next exciting build. So to answer the questions, we may be done with mine as far as the 275 race, but we are not done with the 310 rally build that's getting ready to come up. And we're going to show you guys every step of the way as well of the install, even the clutch, which I know I missed on mine the last time. We're going to show you guys as far as installing all that stuff. We're going to show you guys as well the real-time tuning. Unlike what I did with mine, we're going to break out multiple cameras. We're going to give you guys kind of all of the ins and outs from start to finish on what we do with the 310 rally. Let's get to number 3 already. I want to kind of break down in this for you guys is how did the 250F do? So yes, this is going to be a post-race review with the 275 race cam for the big bore kit from Force Cam, guys. So this bike did phenomenal, y'all. I was extremely impressed. I took it very easy off the start, just because I don't really like getting mixed too much into a pack. We were about mid-pack anyway, regardless. The bike was an absolute tractor, y'all. So anybody worried about a tractor for this thing and giving up any of that, I've said it before in the other videos, it really does have it. If you missed some of the riding footage when we were breaking this thing in, it really is. I did not use first gear at all. I stayed second and third gear for most of everything. I got up into fourth a couple times, but mostly second and third on a lot of the tighter, like single track areas. This bike, y'all, I can't say enough good things. That Force Cam kit is, I mean, it is the bee's knees, man. If bees had knees, it'd be it. It would absolutely be it, man. I'm telling you, all the links are in the description as well for anybody interested to check out any of their products. Please do mention the channel name. Let them know. He'll hook you guys up. You guys will also get this thing express shipped to you. But hit them up. Let them know where you found it. Just mention the channel, that guy. I appreciate it greatly. With some of your torque and your RPM ranges and stuff with the race camshaft, guys, yes, to get the most out of the bike, you want to be in a lot higher RPMs to really take off and bolt. But this thing did absolutely amazing. In some areas where I got stuck behind somebody and I was like, oh no, and they stopped midway and kind of screwed the momentum and going forward. Dude, second gear, just even from a dead stop, just second gear, man, this thing tractored. It would sound like it wanted to stall out on you, you know, because you were going so slow and had it so low in the RPMs. But I'm telling you, as soon as you just barely gave it any gas, it just tractored right up there. And that wasn't where all the torque is. The torque is your mid and high range, but it is still just an absolute grab and go, just monster. It just grips the whole time. So I'll give credit also with that. It's also the Emex rear tire. That thing is brand new. It is gummy. So regardless, anybody that is thinking as far as the race camshaft, maybe that's not for you for trail riding and all, it's really going to come down to your technique. Okay, it's going to come down to your technique. Do you load the clutch and stuff out of turn, you know, going into certain turns or deep ruts and that kind of racing, or even just trail riding? So we're going to see what this the rally cam is all about in the 310 kit as well. Kind of give you guys a little bit more comparison, help you guys choose. So that is coming up, and that will be sooner than later. So yes, we have a chain of videos, man, getting ready to roll in on this thing. Huge shout out to the guys over there at Force Cam. Cannot say enough good things about this kit. The temperature of the bike from running it over an hour very hard, it did absolutely amazing. I will continue to attest by it. If you have not already seen our footage from the GNCC, I do apologize. The GoPro went into time-lapse mode, so it looked like everything was pretty much stuttering, okay? So did not want to push that out. So it was more of a vlog this last time. Pretty brief, simple, to the point. Regardless, if you guys haven't checked that out, go check it out. But for the ones that haven't, we essentially had told you guys, no, we did not get to finish the race. We made it a little over an hour, and anyway, we had a bent right fork on the bike. That is taken care of. I have the rim that is coming in for this thing that also got bent, all the crap in back. That's actually on back order, so it'll be till May until I get that back in, and I've got the new Tusk front tire. I am running the Emex on the rear, and we went ahead and we paired that up with this right here, also their Emex for soft and intermediate terrain. So this should be a really good pairing for this. I did not go any bigger or anything on the front, so it is the same stock size, which I believe is a 80 by 100 by 21, if I'm not mistaken. That's what we have got in store, planned out for pending on the 250F. Now, another thing, when I mentioned we didn't get to finish completely, I think we ended up walking away with 18th for the day for our class. So is what it is. Better than being, I believe there was 29 after I counted, 29 in the class. So even though we didn't get to finish it, we made it about halfway through before having to stop. You know what? I'll take an 18th, but that thing was pretty tough, man. If you guys have any questions, anything like that I haven't covered in my previous videos on the big bore kit, the 250F in general, I promise, guys, and anybody that's reached out to me will tell you, I will hit you back up. I won't just leave you guys hanging high and dry. All right. Go find me on social media, whether it be Facebook, Instagram, something like that. All the links are in the description again. We'll help you guys out. Anyway, I think I'm done rambling for the evening, y'all. I was super excited, man. Just wanted to push this thing out here just for a little post-race review, tell you guys how the bike did, give you guys the update on the new delivery for the next one, and also stay tuned for the 310, which is coming at y'all very soon. I appreciate y'all as always. Please be a friend, tell a friend, like, share, subscribe. We'll catch y'all here on the next go around, which is very soon. We'll see you.